Alright, YouTube, today is the day. I just received my rear lower camber kit. The rear arms for the 370Z. I'm going to try to push -8. Big tilt gang, you already know how it is. But anyways, I'm going to open this box with a live reaction. Even though I know what it is, I don't know the quality or the condition of these arms. I bought them from Facebook Marketplace for 80 bucks. So let's see how they look. I can't wait to see. Alright guys, you guys get to take a look. Oh, what's that? Alright, let's take the first one out. Have the first one. Here she goes. Oh yeah. So they were on the car. They look pretty nice. Not that bad. So we're gonna be taking off this nut and this nut to get that extra camber. Let's take the other one out. Oh yeah. Also, what? Something flew out. Oh, I got the two. I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Okay, just throw that box over there. Throw it over there. Throw it over there. Oh, I know what that is. Ah, I see. This bushing looks... Some play in the bushing. But you can't complain. 80 bucks. The toe, the camber arms go crazy on the Z. Oh, I see what he did. He was running positive. Oh, I wouldn't run positive. We're running some negative, boys, you know? Big tilt gang. So, yeah. Wow, two nuts. We're taking one of these off. Like, I'm not running these. I might run this one, this top one, but I know I'm not running this one right here. These two are going out. So, yep. Can't wait to put this in the car. I'm excited. Look at those camber arms. Oh. What up, YouTube? It's the next day from the video. So today I'm going to be installing him. I'm not going to be doing the camber just yet. Everything is loose under there, and I was driving, so everything's off balance on the Z right now. So the Z kind of doesn't really drive all that well. Also, note, got my door fixed. I got some other parts fixed and for paint. Pretty happy, pretty stoked about that. So I'm gonna be installing the arms right now. The arms right here. Also got a 3-ton jack in my dad's Jeep. So we're going to be installing that. Put it into the car. I'm going to be doing this side first. So let's get to it. Alright guys, here's the mess. Check it out. Only one left. There's some complications with that camber arm. So I have one of the nuts off. Right here. But that nut is stuck on there. That one right there is stuck. So I'm gonna finish up, do the other side quick. I don't have a lot of daylight left, as you see. Full focus, as you see. So what happened is that one, I can show you from here, for that lower control arm, the bolt is right here. Now, I don't know is to loosen it down or up, you know. The same for this one. I have a little bit, just a little bit of threads here. It might loosen some WD-40 right now, as we speak. Do it right now on camera. Got it right there. Oh, of course, that dropped. Oh no, where's the other one? Well, one of those. Oh, here it is. All right, so I'm gonna get the WD-40, spray it down. It did help. I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. WD-40 does help. I wish I had some more, but let it soak for a bit. I'm gonna put everything back on the car, retighten everything, and send her on her way. All right, everyone. Sorry for the cut, but check it out. One of them is on, and the second one is on, as you guys can see. So I took both of the bolts. I can literally tighten that with my hand, which is pretty good. So I could adjust the camber and all that, etc., etc. That one, I still have to loosen that one bolt. The only downside is the toe. The toe of the car is going this way, and the toe of this one is going the other way. So it's like an X. It's not straight. So I'm gonna try to get an alignment tomorrow. There's my little dog. So let's do this. I got you tomorrow, guys. Well, guys, I paid for it. There's the 2 new bolts for the toe. It cost me $33 with my discount. So let's go. Can't wait to put this shit on, bro. This car does not drive straight at all. Like, I almost wrecked probably like 40 times. 40 times, you know. So let's hope this alignment works and I could drive my car again. Check it out, everyone. -11. God, I wish I could just run this, but I can't run this. That is crazy. -11. On the other side, I have -8 to 9, which is what I want to be rocking. Fitment is amazing. So I'm gonna have to go in 2 threads. It's a 16 in this side and it's a 9 in this side, thread wise. So I might have to take away 2 threads and we should be good. So I'm gonna take you under the car and let's do it. All right, guys, check it out. I'm done. -9 all the way around. No, my bad. In the rear, only the rear, -9. The front, I'm gonna figure out how to get -8 and rock it. But I put the bumper back on. It was pretty simple. And yeah, I'm pretty happy. Really stoked. I got -9, guys. Big tilt gang, you know what I'm saying? Oh, all I have to do now is just fix the toe, and I have to fix the camber bolt. So I got 2 new ones. But overall, I'm pretty happy. Can't wait to drive this. It's pretty late. I'm the only one at work, but had to do this video for you guys. Hope you guys enjoy. Take care, guys. Next clip, I'm gonna air out at home, and I just put it on here. So thanks so much, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Take care. All right, check it out. Here she is, aired out at my house. Pretty nice. I hope I don't get copyrighted. There's music playing. Oh my God, look at that. Big tilt gang, -9. Pretty happy about that, guys. Here's the thumbnail. All right, guys, take care. Hope you guys enjoyed.